What's up guys, here is Thomas, and this is a video where I'm going to present you 12 tangible, real ways how to make money now, during pandemics, during the crisis, when we are short of money. 12 different ways in no particular order. If you are interested in videos of this kind, please subscribe to my channel right now, turn on the notification bell, and by the end of this video you will know how to make money right now. 12 different ways you can make money from today. There is no affiliate marketing, no tricks, no MLM, no bullshit. This is real. This is not sweet talk, this is reality, but reality that really works. This is where you can make money. By the end of this video you will know how. So keep watching. Let's start. The first way how you can make money right now, where everything is closed, all of the shops are closed, is you can start offering people that you will cut their hair. I know it might sound like something you don't know how to do, but it's very easy. To cut hair for men in particular is very easy. You can just use clippers, scissors, or cut hairs of kids. It's very easy, of boys. You can do that. You can offer it on Facebook, in Facebook groups of your local area, and you will be contacted by people, and then you come to their homes, or they come to your home, or when you have a beautiful sunny day like we have here today, you can do it in the garden, and you cut their hair because hair salons are closed. You do it, they will appreciate it. If you know also how to dye hair, that's even better. You can do some stuff for the ladies and you will get paid cash in hand, and then that's a first excellent way how to make money right now. Another way is offer service for dogs. Offer people that you will trim dogs' fur. Offer that service. It's very easy. If you had a dog, you would know that it's super easy. I am doing it by myself. I have a dog. I trim my dog's fur every few weeks. It's super easy. Most of the dog owners don't know that they can do it, so they don't do it, they go and pay. These dog salons are closed right now, so this is the second way how you can make money. Trim dogs' hair in people's homes or in your home. Third way how to make money right now is to become a delivery driver. If you have a motorcycle, or if you have a car available, or if you just like to walk or run or use your bicycle, you have two ways. You can go to local restaurants, which are all closed now, but their kitchens are open, their kitchens are working, and you offer that you will be delivering their food every day when they need you. They really need you. Right now they do need drivers, delivery drivers. You will be paid upon the agreement with the restaurant. Plus you will be getting tips. You can make really good money here. The other option is to register with apps like the Deliveroo, Rappi, etc., and start working through the apps as a delivery driver, So that is an excellent way how to make money right now, because everyone is ordering online, no one is dining out. So being a delivery driver. Another way how to make money right now is care work. There is not enough care workers right now because health system is super busy. They are working super hard to beat the virus, and they need care workers. So there is hundreds or thousands of care agencies out there. You just go online, call them, and even if you have no experience with this work, you have super high chance right now to be hired by them. You just call them, say you want to do some care work, you are open to learn, they will provide free training, sometimes the training is even paid. They will train you, and within a couple of days you are out and you can start working. They will probably send you to some care homes where you can work, or they, if you have a car, can offer you domiciliary care work where you will be driving your car, visiting clients, paid by hour, paid for mileage driven, and you will be on your way and working and doing this within a few days. It's very easy to get into this right now because of the situation we have with the coronavirus, and then if you like it, you can continue with when things settle. Another way how to make money right now, is personal shopper. Become a personal shopper, do shopping for people. People are scared to go out, people are vulnerable, they don't want to get the virus, so you can go out wearing all your PPEs, personal protective equipment, go out, take people's list and shop for them, and then get paid for your service. You can advertise this on Facebook, in your local groups. There are also apps where you can work through and do shopping for people. Excellent way to make money right now. You can advertise on Craigslist, on Gumtree, wherever you want, and offer this service. Another way how to make money right now: dog walking. Excellent. People don't want to go out there because in many countries they are not allowed now together. Even dog walkers, they are not allowed to talk together, to stay together, to stay like in groups. So people are either walking dogs individually or they are not walking them at all, only in their gardens, but the dog needs to go out. So you can offer dog walking service. I think you know what to do. Again, local groups on Facebook, some advertisement. Not many people are out, most of the people are online, so advertise online, offer dog walking service. Another, pharmacy deliveries, medical supplies delivery driver. If you have a car, you will need a car for this one. You can go to all local pharmacies and offer that you will be delivering for them medical supplies to the people. Excellent pay, easy job, clean, no rush, very nice work. You can do it even after when you finish. When all this is over, you can continue working like this, delivering. If you want to work, I have to mention, in a medical field as a delivery driver or in care work and so on, you will need in some of the countries to have your certification, your paper, like the policy record, which shows that you have no punishments, that you are clean. Okay, your certificate. So you will need to get that. You can usually do it online. If you pay like instantaneously, you can get your report, and you will need that for those agencies that you want to work through. Another, to become a courier. If you have a car, you can now start working for Amazon, delivering for Amazon, or even working for Amazon directly in their warehouses. They are now hiring people because there is not enough staff. They need more staff. And they need the delivery drivers. So especially Amazon. You can just Google where is the closest Amazon warehouse. They are all over the place, and contact them. Another excellent way how you can make money today, after watching this video, is eBay. Selling on eBay, and also buying on eBay and then reselling. So go up to the attic, go to your basement, go through your stuff that you have at home that you don't need, choose everything that you don't use anymore and don't need, and sell it on eBay. Open an eBay account if you don't have it yet, and start selling on eBay. All the items that you have are probably already on eBay, so you can see what they sell for, and then you just mimic the price and start selling. Also, you can do it on Etsy and Amazon, but eBay is the easiest way. You will be paid instantaneously, basically via PayPal, and you can make your first money today. The other higher level of this is when you go on eBay and you start buying, because there's lots of people now who need money and they sell. They go through their stuff, they go through their antiques, they go through everything they have at home and they don't need, and they don't know exactly the value and the price, so they might sell it even cheaper than what's the real price of the item, and they post it online on eBay. So you can buy these items if you have an idea what you're buying, and then resell again on eBay. Another job is called chat moderator. Chat moderator or chat administrator is a job. There are companies like CloudWorker, just Google CloudWorker. They run several websites where people are chatting, and you need to moderate and control these chats, and the position is called chat moderator. Basically, you could be hired within 24 hours by this company. They do Skype interviews, and then working as a chat moderator, paid by hour, flexible hours, and start making money. Another way, the last one, this is the 12th one, sorry I kept no, this is the 11th one. I'm not counting, but this is the 11th way. Is the website. Go on the website called oneforma.com. Oneforma, ONEFORMA, oneforma.com, or Patera, PATERA.com. These two websites, these are agencies, companies that employ people who know different languages, who have cameras, and they offer different kind of jobs which you can do online from your computer right when they publish them, these assignments. And they are not just for one person to do, but for many. So they need many people to do the same type of work, work on the same project, and you might be asked to translate something, or you might be asked to do some proof translations, or even things like this. They ask you to take your camera and to photograph crashed cars. They just want you to photograph crashed cars. So you go out and walk around and photograph cars that are crashed or scratched, and send them the photos, and you get paid per photo. And the last 12th way how you can make money right now is copy trading on eToro. This is last because you won't be making money right away, and you need some investment, some money to invest to do this. But copy trading on eToro is an excellent way how to make money if you don't know how to trade or invest in financial markets, in stock. You can just go on eToro.com, create an account, find traders that are very successful, especially Czech traders that have been successful for last 30-60 days. So during this crisis, not just before, people who made money during the crisis, or at least kept their money and are not losing money, and start copying these traders. Excellent way how to make money without knowing anything. So I believe these were really amazing, great ways how to make money. Many of these I practiced myself, and I am only telling you things that really work. I'm not bullshitting with some affiliate marketing or so on. So guys, I hope you like it. Give me a comment, give me a like, please subscribe, watch other videos that I have on my channel about this kind of topics, and I wish you a wonderful day and start making money now. Thank you so much.